Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming power. If the access point supports PoE, use a PoE switch or injector. If not, plan for the adapter. Next, make sure the target switch port is administratively up and supports the AP's required speed and VLAN. Once done, connect a short Ethernet cable from the AP to the chosen switch port so you can see link lights. This gives immediate physical confirmation and prevents chasing cabling errors later. You now configure the switch port. Decide access versus trunk based on whether the AP will carry multiple VLAN. Set the correct native VLAN and allowed VLAN list. Then enable PoE on that port or place the inline injector between switch and AP. This powers the device. After power is stable, obtain an IP via DHCP or assign a static address so you can reach the AP's web or SSH interface. Make sure the AP firmware is. You finish by validating network reachability. Ping the AP from your management station and log into its interface to confirm configuration pushed correctly. Once authenticated, verify the SSID broadcasts and that a test client can associate and obtain an IP. This proves both Layer 2 and Layer 3 are working. If anything fails, first recheck PoE and link lights, then review VLAN tagging and switch port mode. Replace the cable and update firmware if intermittent issues persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.